expected value and games of chance. To find the expected value of a game, first we're gonna multiply the gain or loss for each possible outcome by its probability, then add the products. Let's see example. We're gonna find the expected value for of betting $1 on the number 20 in roulette. If the ball lands on that number, you are awarded $35 and get to keep a dollar that you paid to play. If the ball lands on any of other 37 slots, you are awarded nothing and the $1 that you bet is collected. Recall there are 38 outcomes for the roulette game and 20 is one out of those 38 outcomes. First of all, we are going to construct the table, which the table of the outcome. So I'm going to make a list here. The first one would be the possible outcomes. The second column going to be gain or loss from the game. And the last column is the probability. So for the first column, the outcomes, if the ball lands on the number 20, that means you win. You put $1 in, so that means you already pay out your pocket. You win, you get $35, and you get to keep a dollar that you paid to play. So the net gain gonna be $35. And the probability of having the ball lands on the number 20 is 1 out of 38. For the second outcome, that means you don't win. So the ball lands on other numbers. So you pay $1 and you don't get anything. So that means the net loss gonna be 1. So we put the negative side as a representation of the loss. The probability gonna be 37 out of 38. As you notice, the probability or the column for the probability, the sum supposed to be 1 because all possible outcomes combined to be the total of 100% or the value of the probability will be 1. So to find the expected value of a game, so we're gonna multiply the gain or loss of each possible outcome by its probability. So I'm gonna have to create another column, which is the column of the product. So this one gonna be gain or loss value multiplied by its probability. For the outcome of winning the game, it's gonna be $35. The gain, so gonna be positive side, multiplied by 1 over 38 and comes out to be 35 over 38. And then the case that the person don't win, so the gain or loss is going to be loss at negative side, $1 multiplied by 37 over 38. And the product is negative 37 over 38. And now the expected value or the value E that we used is the sum of those two product values. So 35 over 38 plus negative 37 over 38. And the sum comes out to be negative 2 over 38. The unit is in dollar. What does it mean? The negative side tells us that you are losing. Or right in the decimal form, we get negative 0.05 to about 5 cents loss. So what does it mean? Meaning, so in the long term or in the long run, if you keep playing the same game over and over, a player can expect to lose because the side here, the negative side, Expect to lose about 5 cents per game or for each game play.